What if you could build full software projects just by telling AI what you want? That future is already here, and it's reshaping not just how we code, but who codes. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or someone who's never written a line of code, AI is changing the game for everyone. If you're excited about where tech is heading, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Let's dive in. As of mid-2025, the pace of innovation in AI and engineering is staggering. Conferences, trade shows, and conversations with leaders across tech all point to one thing. Everyone is getting better at using AI, and fast. Traditionally, there's been a clear divide between coders, those who build with their hands on the keyboard, and managers who operate at a higher strategic level. But now that gap is shrinking. AI is automating the grunt work of coding, but real engineering, the creative, architectural work, remains deeply human, at least for now. In a recent episode of AI Daily Brief, Nathaniel Whittemore spoke with Sean Swyx Wang about this shift. Swyx emphasized how crucial it still is to stay in touch with what builders are doing, even if building itself is being redefined. Today, you can prompt an AI with a simple request, and it generates a functioning app or script. But knowing how to refine, validate, and guide that output, that still requires engineering thinking. One of the most talked about innovations in this space is the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Found on GitHub, MCP connects large language models to the context they need to work effectively. It uses a client-server setup with APIs and integrations that allow for direct, flexible interactions with AI systems, including through environments like Claude Desktop. Swyx explained how MCP hosts LLMs, while clients connect them to data, and servers manage the context, prompts, and communication layers. It's modular, flexible, and crucially, not tied to a single AI model. But with any new technology, timing is everything. Swyx pointed out that being early isn't the same as being right. He referenced Moore's law and how companies are moving away from simple cost models toward delivering real outcomes. MCP might be the next big leap, but only if it sticks. Speaking of agents, Swyx highlighted Lillian Wang's definition. An AI agent equals an LLM, plus memory, planning, and tool use. Swyx even added his own acronym: IMPACT, intent, memory, planning, authority, control flow, and tool use. He stressed the need for tight feedback loops to make these systems actually work in enterprise settings. Then there's the fascinating concept of vibe coding. Some experts use it to describe a kind of intuitive programming, where the coder senses the structure and logic of the code. But there's a second meaning: using AI to generate code based on a general idea or vibe without deep expertise. This can lead to fast results or expensive mistakes. Swyx recommends approaching vibe coding with a healthy skepticism. Yes, it democratizes code, but to do it well, you still need to understand legacy systems, experiment, and recognize AI's limits. At the end of the day, one thing's clear: reskilling is essential. Whether you're a CEO or an engineer, everyone must keep learning to stay relevant. As Harvard has noted, the need for continuous learning has never been more critical. If you're curious about how AI can revolutionize your work or your business, now's the time to lean in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the related video in the corner for more insights on AI and the future of work.